yeah, so this is all wired up. I did a few little checks to make sure I didn't have anything cross continuity checks on my AC to make sure my blues were my blues should be and my blacks were my browns or everything. You know, I've done a few extra checks here. So now I'm kind of ready to flip the power for the first time. I got it on a slide because I want to see what's going to go on here. I do have the mainsail software and stuff set up on my Raspberry Pi. Well, it's not set up. I created the image and put the SD card in the Raspberry Pi, so it'll be interesting to see if this little sucker fires up. And the board here is going to come up. And once we get that up and running, then I'm going to have to compile Clipper firmware and get it on here. So I got a little bit of cable tidying up to do. I think I have some longer ones of these. So all due respect, let's hope that when I fire this up, that we're not going to get some sparks and blue smoke and everything's going to be okay. I don't have any power indication lights here as such, other than I guess what would be on the power supply and maybe the Raspberry Pi. So let's flick the switch and hope for the best. Oh, some green lights, red lights. My fans aren't going, but I assume that's just because I haven't got the firmware on here to tell them to go. Looks like the board's trying to boot. It looks like everything is okay for now. Maybe we haven't done anything too bad. It's okay. So yeah, no blue smoke is a good thing. I guess my next check now is going to be to see if I can find the Raspberry Pi on my network. Looks like it's booting up there. It's powered on, got some activity there. See if I can find my network and flip this baby over.